Can a single prayer help you overcome fear, remove negativity, and bring divine blessings into your life?
भवानी भावनागम्या भवारुण्यकुठारिका भद्रप्रिया भद्रमूर्तिर्भक्तसौभाग्यदायिनी.
This shloka praises Sri Lalita Devi as Bhavani, the compassionate divine who gives life and lovingly protects all beings. She is Bhavana Gamya, meaning she is attained through sincere devotion and pure meditation. As Bhavaranya Kutharika, Devi is the mighty axe that cuts through the dense forest of worldly suffering and ignorance. She is Bhadrapriya and Bhadramurti, the embodiment of goodness, auspiciousness, and divine grace. Finally, as Bhakta Saubhagyadaini, Ma blesses her devotees with prosperity, happiness, spiritual progress, and lasting good fortune. Reciting or listening to this sacred shloka with devotion helps strengthen faith, remove obstacles, bring inner peace, and invite the limitless blessings of Sri Lalita Devi into every aspect of life. May Ma guide you towards happiness, wisdom, and spiritual fulfillment. Have you ever wondered what is the easiest way to receive the grace of Sri Lalita Devi?
भक्ति प्रिया भक्ति गम्या भक्ति वश्या भयापहा शांभवी शारदाराध्या शर्वाणी शर्मदायिनी.
Sri Lalita Devi is Bhakti Priya, the one who loves true devotion, Bhakti Gamya, who is reached through sincere bhakti, and Bhakti Vashya, who is moved by the pure love of her devotees. As Bhayapaha, she removes fear and fills the heart with courage and peace. She is Shambhavi, the divine power of Lord Shiva. Sharadharadhya, worshipped by Goddess Saraswati. Sharvani, the eternal consort of Lord Shiva. And Sharmadayini, the bestower of happiness, peace, and lasting well being. By chanting this sacred shloka with faith, devotees seek the blessings of Sri Lalita Devi for fearless living, unwavering devotion, inner peace, wisdom, and spiritual progress. May Ma Lalita fill your life with divine grace, joy, and eternal bliss. What if true peace doesn't come from the world around you, but from the divine presence of Sri Lalita Devi within your heart?
शांकरी श्रीकरी साध्वी शरच्चंद्र निभानना शातोदरी शांतिमती निराधारा निरंजना.
This shloka describes the divine qualities of Sri Lalita Devi. She is Shankari, the auspicious consort of Lord Shiva, and Shrikari, the bestower of prosperity and spiritual blessings. She is Sadhvi, the embodiment of purity and righteousness. Her face shines with the soothing brilliance of the autumn full moon, symbolizing serenity and divine beauty. As Shatodari, she represents discipline and self control, while Shantimati reveals her infinite peace. Finally, she is Niradhara and Niranjana, the one who exists without depending on anything and remains forever pure, untouched by any imperfection. By meditating on these sacred names, devotees invite peace, purity, inner strength, and divine grace into their lives. Sri Lalita Devi reminds us that lasting happiness comes from a calm mind, a pure heart, and complete faith in Ma. Chant this shloka with devotion to experience the comforting presence and blessings of Sri Lalita Devi every day. Have you ever wondered what the true nature of Sri Lalita Devi is beyond everything we can see?
निर्लेपा निर्मला नित्या निराकारा निराकुला निर्गुणा निष्कला शांता निष्कामा निरुपप्लवा.
This shloka describes Ma as eternally pure, untouched by any impurity, and free from all limitations. She is formless, ever present, and beyond all qualities of the material world. Devi is complete, peaceful, free from desires, and untouched by change or suffering. These sacred names remind us that while the world constantly changes, Sri Lalita Devi remains the unchanging source of eternal peace and divine wisdom. Chanting and reflecting on this shloka helps calm the mind, reduce attachment, and strengthen inner peace. It inspires us to rise above negativity and experience the comforting presence of Sri Lalita Devi in every moment. Can true peace ever be shaken?
नित्यमुक्ता निर्विकारा निष्प्रपञ्चा निराश्रया नित्यशुद्धा नित्यबुद्धा निरवद्या निरन्तरा.
This shloka describes Ma as Nityamukta, forever free, Nirvikara, unchanging, Nishprapancha, beyond the material universe, and Nirashraya, dependent on nothing. She is Nitya Shuddha, eternally pure, Nitya Buddha, the embodiment of infinite wisdom, Niravadya, flawless and beyond all imperfections, and Nirantara, present everywhere without beginning or end. These sacred names remind us that Sri Lalita Devi is the eternal truth that remains untouched by time, change, and worldly limitations. Chanting and reflecting on this shloka helps us develop inner peace, mental clarity, and unwavering faith. It inspires us to rise above temporary worries and connect with the eternal grace of Ma. May Sri Lalita Devi bless you with purity, wisdom, and lasting spiritual strength.